And a drizzly start to the weekend for Cape Town. Only a temperature of 15 degrees right now. It's cloudy with light to fresh southwesterly winds blowing. But this is not just a normal front moving over the western parts of South Africa, but is also associated with an upper level trough. Therefore, an area of unstable conditions as well as lots of moisture. We mostly are expecting showers and a few thunderstorms to move over parts of the northern and western Cape. Unfortunately, throughout the morning, things will quickly clear up over the peninsula as well as Cape Town, with the showery conditions quickly spreading eastwards into the rest of the western and later this afternoon eastern Cape. We are expecting things to become stormy along the southern coastline as well as over parts of the Karoo. Therefore, for today, widespread rain showers and thunderstorms expected in parts of the western Cape as well as along the southern coastline. A 60% chance for the surrounding areas, and this evening light rain reaching parts of the eastern Cape. Winds are also becoming gusty over the Cape provinces and spreading eastwards throughout the day over the central parts of South Africa, and also a strong southwesterly wind spreading along the southern coastline, reaching Port Elizabeth this afternoon. And due to the windy, dry and hot conditions, we also do have a warning for high fire danger. Runaway fires are possible today over the central parts of South Africa. Even though it's cold this morning in Uveca, Johannesburg will reach a high of 21 degrees today, 23 expected in Pretoria as well as Polokwane, but it's warm and sunny to hot in the Lowveld with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s. It's a mild day for the Free State and becoming windy in the western parts with a high of 22 degrees in Bloemfontein. And later this afternoon, a few thunderstorms and showers moving into the eastern Cape, spreading eastwards and reaching parts of Mthatha tonight. But it's sunny and hot today in KwaZulu-Natal with a high of 29 degrees in Pietermaritzburg. It's also sunny and hot along the coast with a high of 27 in Durban and 29 for Richards Bay. It's windy along the east coast with showers and thunderstorms later spreading along the coast and reaching parts of Port St. John's tonight, and along the east coast a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters. A few showers already moving over the western parts of South Africa and expected to slowly spread eastwards over the rest of the western Cape, and a few thunderstorms expected to develop over parts of the Karoo into this afternoon with a high of 24 in Somerset East. Along the south coast, a few showers expected later today with stormy conditions this afternoon for parts of the Eden district, but rain quickly clearing over the peninsula, False Bay and Muizenberg this morning, and along the south coast a southerly swell of 2 meters. It's a mostly cloudy day for the western parts of the northern Cape with a few showers already moving over parts of the province, but it's sunny and windy over the rest of the province. Light rain this morning in Cape Town, clearing throughout the day, becoming partly cloudy and cool with only a high of 17 degrees. And along the west coast, a southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters, partly cloudy with a high of 19 in Alexander Bay. Finally, Uveca, here is your weekend weather forecast. On Saturday, you can expect lots of sunshine over the central parts of South Africa, Johannesburg reaching a high of 22 degrees. Rain clearing up in the western parts, but light rain still possible along the coast of the eastern Cape and later the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It's also much cooler with only a high of 23 degrees in Durban. And on Sunday, mostly dry across South Africa. Still abundant sunshine for the eastern parts with 23 degrees in Pretoria. Another hot day for the Lowveld with a high of 28 in Bombela. It will clear up along the east coast with mostly sunny conditions. Yet again, mid-20s for KwaZulu-Natal and a small chance of light rain over the peninsula, Cape Town and surrounding areas. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. I'll be back with another update in the next half an hour.